Picture yourself in the 2018 Lincoln MKC. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an elegant and capable MKC, the compact SUV that prioritizes passenger comfort and amenities while delivering a powerful, agile drive. A wide range of available options lets you follow your heart to create a personal travel experience that is truly inspiring. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: power liftgate, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Elevate your daily drive in this quiet, powerful MKC. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.